Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we have an important topic to discuss, natural colon cleansing at home. Our colon plays a crucial role in our overall health, and taking care of it is essential. In this video, we'll explore some effective and natural ways to cleanse your colon right from the comfort of your home. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our helpful health tips. Let's get started. Importance of colon health. First things first, let's talk about why colon health is so important. The colon, or large intestine, is responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes, forming and storing stool, and facilitating the elimination of waste from our bodies. A healthy colon contributes to better digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Water and hydration. One of the simplest and most effective ways to promote colon health is by staying hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps soften stool, making it easier to pass through the colon. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your digestive system running smoothly. High fiber foods. Next up, let's talk about fiber. Fiber is like a broom for your colon, helping to sweep away waste and toxins. Incorporate high fiber foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods promote regular bowel movements and support a healthy colon. Probiotics. Probiotics are another key player in colon health. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a balanced and healthy gut flora. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Including these in your diet can contribute to a thriving environment in your colon. Herbal teas. Herbal teas can be a gentle and soothing way to support colon health. Certain herbs, such as peppermint and ginger, have natural digestive properties. Prepare a cup of herbal tea after meals to aid digestion and provide a calming effect on your digestive system. Colon cleansing smoothie recipe. Now, let's whip up a quick and easy colon cleansing smoothie. This recipe includes ingredients known for their detoxifying properties. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Smoothie recipe. 1 cup spinach, half cucumber, half cup pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 cup coconut water. Blend these ingredients together and you have a refreshing and nutritious smoothie that supports colon health. Physical activity. Regular physical activity is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also for your colon. Exercise helps stimulate the muscles of the colon, promoting more efficient bowel movements. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to naturally cleansing your colon at home. Remember, these are general tips, and it's essential to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay healthy.